Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the cooling radiator on Seat Leon 1.6i. The cooling radiator is located behind the AC condenser. This is the AC condenser and the cooling radiator is located behind it. In order to get access to the cooling radiator, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, there is a couple of bolts holding it on the sides where the wheel arch liner is. There is one bolt located right there and a couple of bolts on the wheel arch liner, which are this one, and one down there. And it's the same on the other side, one on top and then a couple of bolts going down. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. These are the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. The bolts are right there. Now that we've removed all the bolts holding the front bumper, we're just going to pull out the bumper. Now that the bumper is off, there is a couple of electrical connectors that we need to disconnect and then take out the bumper. Next, we're going to remove the cooling radiator fan. That's it right there. First we need to disconnect the electrical connector that's on the bottom. It's right there. I need to put this red tab and then press on the tab and pull out the connector. There's also a couple of bolts holding the cooling fan, 2 bolts on one side and 2 on the other side. One there, one on the bottom, and then one there and one on the bottom. Now we're going to start removing the 4 bolts holding the cooling fan. Next we'll move to the side this coolant hose, and also this air intake hose is also in our way. We're going to remove that. We're going to remove this thing, this plastic for the air intake as well. It's held by two bolts. We need to remove them and then pull it out. Before being able to remove the cooling fan, first we're going to remove the bolt holding this AC line, because we need to move the AC line to the side. This is the bolt right there that we need to remove. And now we can take out the cooling fan. We just need to pull it out. If it doesn't want to come out, just wiggle it a little bit and it will come out eventually. And that's the cooling fan out. Now that the cooling fan is out, we have access to remove the radiator and also the AC condenser. To remove them, we need to, this is holding the cooling radiator in place, and this rubber thing is holding the radiator in place. They're held by two bolts, one there and one on that side. We need to remove those bolts, and then the radiator and the condenser will be free to move. Now that I removed both bolts, we can see that the radiator is free to move on that side as well. To separate the AC condenser from the radiator, there is 4 bolts holding it to the radiator. The bolts are one there, one on the bottom, and then 2 on the other side. One there and one on the bottom. Now that the four bolts are removed, we can see now the AC condenser is separated from the radiator. So now the only thing left is to remove the hoses that are connected to the radiator. Once we remove the hoses, we're going to take the radiator from the bottom. This is one of the hoses that we need to remove. There is a metal clamp over there that's holding that we need to remove. And there is another one down there, also that metal clamp. After we remove those coolant hoses, then we can take out the radiator. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just showing you how it's done. In my case, I only replaced the AC condenser, but the procedure is exactly as I'm showing you. You just remove the two coolant hoses and then take out the radiator. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.